If you've accidentally deleted message conversations on your iPhone, don't worry, I've got some solutions that might help you recover them. Whether you have a backup or not, there are a few methods you can try to get your messages back. Here's how. Open the Messages app, tap Edit or Filter in the top left corner, look at bottom, tap Recently Deleted. If the deleted messages are there, select the conversation you want to recover and tap Recover. Then your recently deleted message will go back to main message. If you can't find the message here, then you need to restore your message from iCloud. Solution 2. Restore from an iCloud backup. If your regular backup your iPhone to iCloud, you can restore your device to recover deleted messages. Open Settings, tap Apple ID, tap iCloud, tap iCloud Backup. Before you restore, make sure that you had backup your date before. If you didn't back up, there is no to recover then, but if you did back up, then open Settings again, scroll down, tap General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset All Content and Settings. This will erase your current data. During the setup process, there will be an option that you need to choose, Restore from iCloud Backup. Select a backup that was made before the messages were deleted. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your deleted messages on your iPhone. If this guide helped you, let me know in the comments below.